Take it like you handling your problems on a daily. Yeah, my shorty say me, got engravings after dating. Like her name was tatted on my soul. She my normal girl on love girl who never lost control. Plus a supermodel.
Good morning, my loves. So as you guys can see, I have clothes back there, but this is part 2 of organizing with me, and I still gotta clean all this up. And we're gonna move to my closet right now. So let me show you guys what I have to work with. It's not that bad. It was before, but I guess it's not that bad. All right, guys, so here's my closet. As you guys can see, I have like winter jackets, sweaters, and then down here I have like game boards, Xbox box, bags down here. It was like a pile of clothes here, but I took them out and it's on my bed. That's why you saw that pile in the back of me. And then more winter stuff here. Don't mind the giraffe, guys. My niece was afraid of the giraffe, so I hid it up here so she wouldn't cry. But yep, this is what I will be working on today. Okay, and I remember in like my first organize with me, like the first part, I told you guys I was going to get like some hooks. Some hooks. So this is what I got. Let me show you guys. Oh, I got this, by the way. It's for like my double chin. I've been using it for like only 2 days, but no difference yet. I mean, maybe a little bit, but I gotta use it for at least 3 to 4 weeks, it says, I think. But yeah, thought I'd share that with you. But yeah, so here are the hooks. So this is how it looks. It's plastic. Hopefully it doesn't break, but we'll see. My mom says she got this before like a while ago, but I do not remember that, and she says it's really cheap and it broke. So hopefully these doesn't break. If it does, then I'm gonna have to return them and just work with what I have, to be honest, like the regular hooks over there. Alright guys, so here are all the clothes. Well, not all, because I still have the top section to take out. But oh my goodness, like I still have the top section, as you guys can see. Whew. So I took a bit of a break, like an hour or two, because I had to go somewhere with my brother, and now I'm back to cleaning up the closet. It's not that bad. Let me show you guys. So I hung everything already. I just need to take this down and then clean the bottom. So probably like another 2 hours, I would say, I will be done. Hopefully I'm done before we had to leave, because we're going to PA this weekend. Hopefully this closet is done before we leave. If not, I'll just have to continue when we come back. Alright guys, so it's looking real good. I just need to bring these stuff off the attic, but I'm gonna do that next week. And the top look good as well. I was gonna bring these sweaters upstairs as well, but I'm not putting anything up here. Might as well leave like the favorite one that I wear the most here. And yeah, and then I have like some bags as well I need to organize here, and this side will be like my bras and more bags. So I have my bags here, and then I need to organize these, guys. A lot of makeup and stuff that people sent to me, so I gotta organize this. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave any comments down below, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.
You know that you my aura and existence, cause you hold a crown, Cause you